Facts about prime numbers that will show you everything that your math teacher never told you about. From weird facts to history and techniques, these facts will show how uniquely interesting prime numbers are. 1. People believe that aliens are trying to reach us through prime numbers. One of the weirdest facts about prime numbers, in his 1985 book Contact, Carl Sagan claimed that aliens are trying to communicate with humans by using prime numbers as signals. 2. Prime numbers were first studied extensively by the ancient Greek mathematicians. Although the first written evidence of prime numbers were found on the Rhind mathematical papyrus in 1550 BC Egypt, the ancient Greeks were the first to fully study the properties of prime numbers. Euclid of Alexandria was the pioneer in studying prime numbers, and was later known as the father of geometry. Most of the fundamental knowledge we have of prime numbers now was theorized by Euclid. 3. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is considered a prime number because it is only divisible by 2 itself, and 1. All other even numbers are divisible by 2, which makes 2 the only even prime number. 2 is also the smallest prime number. 4. There is an organization dedicated to finding the largest prime numbers. The Great Internet Mersenne Prime Number Search, GIMPS, was founded in 1996 by George Woltman. Since its establishment, GIMPS has found 51 of the then newest and then largest prime numbers. The current holder for largest prime number was also discovered by GIMPS. 5. Prime numbers protect us from cybercrime. You might not be aware, but prime numbers keep our accounts and information safe. Namely, through the RSA encryption system. RSA encryption was invented in 1978 by Ron Rivest, Adi Shamir, and Leonard Adleman. The encryption system combines simple, known facts about numbers to secure the transfer of information, such as credit card numbers, online. The encryption algorithm is based on 2 large prime numbers. Prime factorization can be extremely hard with bigger values, and as such, the unique factors of 2 large primes is not that easy to crack, which protects users' data. 6. 0 and 1 are not considered prime numbers. You may remember differently from your childhood, but 0 and 1 are not considered prime numbers. 0 and 1 are only divisible by one positive integer, themselves. 7. Prime numbers have been associated with superstitious beliefs since ancient times. Experts theorize that humans have been fascinated by prime numbers because they are so unique. You can't build a prime number like how you can use different factors to create composite numbers. 7 is a superstitious prime number and even seen as a perfect number by some. In contrast, 13 is also associated with superstitions, although in a more negative way. 8. Prime numbers get more rare as numbers get bigger. Prime numbers may be easy to spot for the first 2 digits, but for larger numbers, it is a more difficult process. Prime numbers also occur less frequently in larger numbers. 9. The world's most liked number is a prime number. In a study conducted by mathematics author Alex Bellos, 10% of people chose lucky 7 as their favorite number. The number 7 has been used in positive imagery in the Bible. 3 sevens is also the winning match in slot machines. According to Bellos, 7's uniqueness is why it's so loved. 7 is the only number not divisible or doubled from the numbers in the 1 to 10 group. 10. Prime numbers are infinite. Aside from the Aristophanes, he was also the first to discover that prime numbers go on for infinity, although they occur less often as the numbers get larger. If you like this prime number facts video, then please like the video and subscribe our Crazy Random Facts channel.